Today we are talking about the self-help trap, a billion-dollar industry that preys on our insecurities and our fantasies of perfection without any real intentions to help us. If you are familiar with self-help material, you will find the same thing reworded 100 different ways. This is how to be better. This is what you're doing wrong. This is why you should do more. This is how to make more money. It's all the same. You were wrong. I am right. Listen to me. Buy my course. Learn my secrets. The dopamine you get from hearing about how much better you can be will be motivating, but only temporarily. And that's their trick, to keep you coming back. They keep you wanting more, otherwise they wouldn't be able to make a dime off of you. So what have they done? They've packaged and sold self-improvement like any other product. It has been commodified. They use our instinct to compare. They put hyper-successful people in front of you saying, this could be you, hoping to trap and convince you you're far behind and just one step away from where you should be. To be fair, the industry as a whole has good eggs. I was dramatic at first, but they do have bad ones. And my biggest problem isn't the industry itself. It's they've gotten very good at convincing people they are not enough and that they need fixing. If they hook you, it can easily turn into another form of escapism, leading to a cycle of consuming advice without taking action, leaving you in a loop of temporary motivation and constant procrastination. Here's the truth. Until you see your own worth, no amount of self-improvement will fill that gap. True fulfillment, the kind that lasts, begins with self-acceptance and inner peace, not the reverse. No, this idea is not new. Some of the greatest minds in history saw it this way. As Seneca said, it is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. And as Marcus Aurelius learned, very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within you, in your way of thinking. For them, true freedom came not from striving for a goal, but from thriving where they were. What if just for today, you did things your way, with full confidence in who you are and what you're about. The best version of you doesn't need a pitch or a plan. Like our mothers always told us, you are enough as you already are. Until next time, make wise choices.